I need some vegetables for dinner. I need some vegetables for dinner. I want to buy some fresh fruit. I want to buy some fresh fruit. I am looking for rice and cooking oil. I am looking for rice and cooking oil. I need a loaf of bread and a carton of milk. I need a loaf of bread and a carton of milk. These tomatoes look very fresh. These tomatoes look very fresh. This fish looks better than the other one. This fish looks better than the other one. I only need a small amount of meat. I only need a small amount of meat. I need half a kilo of onions. I need half a kilo of onions. I would like 1 kilo of potatoes. I would like 1 kilo of potatoes. I am buying chicken for lunch today. I am buying chicken for lunch today. I am choosing vegetables for soup. I am choosing vegetables for soup. I prefer fresh food from the market. I prefer fresh food from the market. I usually buy fruit every weekend. I usually buy fruit every weekend. I am getting some beef for tonight. I am getting some beef for tonight. This fruit looks sweet and ripe. This fruit looks sweet and ripe. I am taking this bag of oranges. I am taking this bag of oranges. I need some bottled water. I need some bottled water. I am buying snacks for the children. I am buying snacks for the children. I only have enough money for a few items. I only have enough money for a few items. This is too expensive for me. This is too expensive for me. I need some fresh herbs for this dish. I need some fresh herbs for this dish. I am buying food for the whole family. I am buying food for the whole family. I am almost done with my shopping. I am almost done with my shopping. I am paying in cash today. I am paying in cash today. I am keeping the receipt. I am keeping the receipt.